baby. All the way to 345. Keep dumping. We're already up 400 or 300. I'm just doing a 1MNQ trying to catch the trend for the day. That's all that I'm trying to do right now. That's it. If we lose this one, I'm so sorry, but there's session right there. Okay. Go back to our over here. Ride or die, people. Ride or die. No, don't do that. Go back down. Yay. Thank you. What the fuck is this thing? Keep jumping. Keep dumping. Anybody know what this means? It's saying in their output, liquidation value reached. Let's see. This doesn't, there's no messages, there's no nothing. It just will not. Oh, his sim has got $1 million. Okay. Fixed it. Let's get on down to the Asia low a day, please. We gotta have a little common sense. We are dumping good, 1MNQ. We're up 145. That's just gonna put us at $500 for the day, and then we will be done. Isn't this great? Isn't this fucking great? I think I figured out their bullshit. You gotta adapt. When they throw bananas, we just go get a bunch of monkeys and throw them back at them. I don't know what the thing is. I figured out Morton's shit though, so he'll be good after this. Come on, dump. Don't you come back up? Won't you come back up? Realized. Why ain't it showing? We should probably start trailing this right here, right? This is the 15-minute window. So really not that important. Boom, 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 boom. We were kung fu fighting. Right. Dum, 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 dum. Drop faster, better. Drop faster, better, better. Yep, right to okay. Previous day close is at 385, 384ish. So we need to pay attention to that. We are hitting consolidation on the left, which will cause us to be kind of either a pivot or more consolidation right here. So we might want to just make sure this 5-minute candle is dojing. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, shit. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Come on down to Asia's low. Hell, it might go to the lower day for yesterday. You guys want to try and ride this out the rest of the day? Let me know. Let me know. We could lock in some profits right here and just let it run because this might drop all the way down to 18,117. That would be a huge trade for 1MNQ. Let me know in the chat. What do you want to do? You want to ride it out or just hit this damn EP right here? I think this is gone. In the live stream chat, let me know. Hell, we ain't even up. We ain't even made the orb yet. Sorry, I'm over here dying. We do need to go down to 433. That would make sure that 5-minute candle top of that 5-minute candle is locked in. Where is 433 on here? Yeah, that could get wicked. We hit previous day closed. Got ourselves a banger entry. I've locked in at 433. That's the wick high of this 5-minute before this one. So 433.75 is locked in there. Dying over here. I don't know what's going on. Either it'll come up and wick that and then dump, or it's gonna go straight the hell up. So we'll see. Yep, like I thought. A wicket. It's gonna come up and then dump again. Watch.
Order filled.
I don't know what's going on. I'm just like choking on coffee. It's crazy. Yep. Okay, I'm good. Beth, fix your shit. What's wrong with your shit? Fix it. Fix it. Turn on the things. Read the Ninja script output. Turn that on first. Always have your outputs on, guys. It'll give you some of the errors that it gives you are so mind-bogglingly simple. Say, oh, shit. It'll just tell you what's wrong. Ninja script output. Then open up your apps or turn on things or log in things. It'll literally tell you, oh, you logged in. Oh. Okay, that makes sense. That's why we use a VPS. Just saying. I was just saying. We're getting a rejection of this 15-minute zone here. That's what I got turned on, right? 15s, yep, 15s. I'm not going to trade off of it this far. It says your per dia says product is not available for trading. So that's weird. Never seen that. It's probably got disconnected, Beth. That's what I'm thinking. Blue Sky probably disconnected. Seems to be the going thing lately. For some reason, accounts keep getting disconnected. Like they're having issues. Okay, so we rejected. Orb is almost complete in 2 minutes here. We're almost to Asia low a day. I really think it's going to smack the hell out of it. We should be up about 400 bucks. Yeah. And there is what I'd like to see right there. Come on. So let's go rejection. Nice big old rejection. Gonna leave the orb. If this is gonna run, it's probably gonna run all the way to the low day, which that's down 18,120. Our orb is complete. We're bear flagging right here. But this is what they've been doing a lot of the days. They come down and they do this sweep of the low bear flag and then push up and then range the top of the orb. So we have to be careful, right? Got to be careful right here. So on previous day close, we're wicking off of it on a 5-minute candles. 15 is super bearish, but again, they have been V-bottoming the shit out of us every single day. And I got their shit. I got them locked in. Got them locked in. We'll try for that right there. The See what we get out of this right here. Just doing a little, we're already up, so not going big on positions. We're just running 2 micros, and we're gonna try to scalp this out. See what happens. Getting some resistance here. Could be good though. Dun, 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 dun. So they're gonna, looks like they're going to do the same shit that they have been doing. And let's find out. Yep, they are going to do more of the same. So probably just gonna take this little loss and then call it a day because we were already up. There's no point in keep going and going and going and losing if they're gonna just whipsaw the shit out of everything. There's no point in it. We have a doji on the 2-minute that this candle is rejecting right now. If it breaks over it, I'm out of this. Did not break over. It's actually rejecting it right now. Now it's not rejecting it. And I am going to this is market makers at play here, fucking with everybody. And yep, there we go. Well, that happened. They're blown through our 944s and 945s in. Looks like they are going to do that shit. They're just doing the same shit. Oh, day over day over day over day. Wild V bottom rejections.
Saw a little noise in the chat about not taking copy trades. Same thing happened on my end. So what happened? New upgrade?
No, you probably didn't have a. I don't know. Did you have it logged
No.
in?
Yep, logged in on. Reset everything this morning.
So if I send a message to Lumens and say, "Hey, they're saying they're not getting trades," this is his response. Did they have their Ninja script output open? Can I have a screenshot of that? They're going to want your ID. They're going to want all that information. So if you did not get a trade copy, send me that in a support ticket so that I can be organized in my response to whatever he asks.
The problem is after that, I have closed it completely and opened it, so now the
Oh,
log does not show that actual date and time.
uh, what is your ID?
1 second, I'll tell you. 2281.
I don't see you connected. Let me refresh.
Right
Hold on.
now you don't. Right now you don't see it connected.
Let me refresh my screen here. 2281. I do not see a connection. Oh, there it is. Yep, you're connected.
It's been, yeah.
All right, so I'm just gonna email him, and when he asks me all that stuff, I'm gonna say, I don't know, man. I don't know.
Yeah, and then even yeah. So okay. Well, glad you got a win. That's good. Happy.
2281. Beth is all right. I'm just done trading for the day. We're gonna deal with this. I can't do both.
Yeah, I mean, I don't mean to do that for yourself. You know what I mean? But if you're happy with what you got, then there you go.
No, they just fucking whipsawed the shit out of us. I'm gonna make that money back. But I need IDs, people. I mean, I'm looking through a spreadsheet for individual IDs for people. This is Beth 4967.
Where is the best place to give you the IDs, just so you don't have to remember everything?
Who else didn't receive the 2 trades this morning?
I think B Mez placed something in the chat on that. That's what made me ask.
Morton did, but that was because his sim account
Looks like
was
Paul.
screwed up.
Looks like Paul didn't get it. I don't know if
It's 2146.
Denny had a problem or not. It's tough to
No, you
tell
got
based
it.
on what was written there.
Oh, his worked. There is a slip. There is a slip rule in this thing. If a signal comes through and it is outside of the slippage parameters, it will not give you the trade. If your price is, I think it's 10 points or 10 ticks. Let me ask.
All good. Just pointing it out. That's all.
There we go. So maybe we need to increase the slippage to allow the trade to go through. But that could be a double-edged sword. If you're getting slippage, and
I agree. It could be worse to have slippage. I'm not gonna lie about that. Yep.
right. I mean, it sucks when a trade comes through and it wins. You're like, oh, I didn't get it. Well, but why? We got to figure out why. If it was because of slippage, then
For me, it's more like there's certain ones that you hold for quite some time, right? So if you miss it, you know what I mean.
yeah,
Then you've missed the possible one trade for the day.
right.
So that was, and in addition, and I know you were playing around with it yesterday, but it looks like the actual, um, well, you had a channel that looked like you were testing for a bot to let us
Yes.
know when you're in the trade. That did not fire off.
No, because I have it off. It's not done.
Oh, I gotcha.
I had it working just fine until I tried to put boxes around it so that the messages could be read easier. And when I click close, it doesn't. When a trade closes, it wasn't firing anymore. So I have to fix it some more, or I have to go
Okay,
back and
no
look at
worries.
it.
No worries. Thanks for working on that though. It'll be
Yeah,
helpful, because
yeah,
sometimes someone like me can't be sitting here 100% of the time.
yeah. I literally had to build an indicator to do that.
No, it's super appreciated. Don't
Yep.
get me wrong. I'm super
But
grateful. So,
Discord, the way it receives messages is it's just normal. Everything's a pain in the ass, but that's just normal. Normal. More normal. But I need this guy to tell me what the fuck. They were getting a bounce off the 15 here. I think it's fake though. I think this was a fake out. I still think it's going to drop. I mean, we have literally rode inside the orbs until afternoon every day. This one left at 11:30, came back, and then dropped out. Last week, just didn't leave the orb until afternoon. Didn't leave the orb until 11 something. I almost think we should just start trading at 10:30. Probably go back and look how many days does it sit in the orb until at least 10:30? Because if it's just gonna bounce around and psych us out till then, there's no point in even trying. They're just tricking you and getting into positions like they did just here. Okay, awesome. We're breaking out, right? No. All I'm saying is if there's an issue with something, just coming to me and saying it isn't gonna, you got to give me some information so that I can pass along to the guy. Watch, here's his response. What does their NP output window say?
well, mine said that it was connected and it was ready for signals. That's what it said. And before I shut everything down and rebooted it.
Okay, that's what I'm saying.
I can share mine right now to say what it is now. You know,
Yeah, what does it
it's the
say?
same thing as what I saw.
Okay. Flips and ticks. So if it's more than 10 tick slippage, it is not going to send the trade to you. It's not going to give it to you. Which if
That
we're running,
happened to everyone then, so that means that his software's slow. That's my
but
response to that.
didn't happen to everyone.
Order filled.
Most people did get it. But we're dealing with the internet. So, oh, you're on a VPS, right?
Yep.
Yep.
I did get that one.
Okay, good.
listen, I'm not making comments against you. I'm just giving you facts of what I know. That's all I'm doing. And I get where you're coming from, because these are tools that you don't have any control over,
Right.
and how they act.
I'm literally about to hire and another engineer to build us our own shit. Like I'm almost to that point. So that we have full control over how it works. If this trade loses, I'm probably going to be done because they're just fucking playing games. Like this was a banger ass fucking intro. Yep.
Stop. Order filled.
I'll be back when they leave the orb. Until then, I'm done. I'll work on the Lumen shit with this guy. See what he says now.
Sounds good, man. Thanks for everything. I mean, that one worked, so I just don't know what happened first thing in the morning. I made sure at 6 a.m. that I reset everything every day so that it's good to go in case you do something before hours,
So he's saying he's looking at it and he says it was the slippage. I'm gonna have him increase it. It's not the slippage from him, it's the slippage on your local machine. So what happens is it tells your machine what price I entered at, right? And then if your machine is more than 2.5 points from that price, it's not going to allow it. So if there's any, I mean, there's a million reasons why it would be different, but if there's any data delay, if there's internet, even your VPS, like even if there's any type of, I mean, think about 1 second delay could cause 2.5 points.
Oh, absolutely. I totally agree with your comment.
So I need to, so we could probably just increase it. But I don't want to increase it too much because then that might, like I said, that might be a double-edged sword. You might.
I'm worried about I will say I am worried about the increase too much, because if it is, and you're doing NQ, not MNQ, right?
Right.
MNQ might be fine, but if you're doing NQ, then
10 ticks is
that's quite significant,
Yep.
Is there a way to increase it for one but not the other one, or no?
Yes. Yeah, there is. Because they're two different assets, so they're two different signals.
So yeah, then I would say it's fine for MNQ but not NQ, in my opinion. But I mean, you could ask the group. I don't want to be the one who's speaking for everyone. No one else might want that, But yeah, I think they're gonna stay where they were yesterday here, creeping around this area, not too much,
Yeah, we probably just lost what we were gonna make today because didn't just walk away with it.
It might shoot up from here, but who knows?
I'm not entering another trade till it leaves the orb. So if you guys want to set alerts, come back when the orb gets broke. Be my guest, because there will be no fucking trades until that happens.
Sounds good, man.
Not even trying.
Talk to you.
But I do need. He is requesting from 496755418308 and 9372. If you can send the output window messages to him. Let me go through his list, and no, I'm not even doing that. I'm gonna go and trade copy. I'm gonna say those numbers. If we get it, we get it. If we don't, we don't. I don't know if we should increase it to 40. Like, what should we? I mean, seriously, this is a serious conversation, because a lot of times our take profit is 40 ticks. You know? Oh, are we leaving the orb now? Oh, look, it's coming down to Asia low a day after it whipsawed everybody. I don't think we should change it to 40, maybe 20. Eric, what do you think?
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't go crazy with it. If that's what it was, then that's what it was.
It was at 10.
Yeah, I would say 20 is okay. It's only 4 points. That's my opinion, though. If you want to ask the
I really don't want to go to 40, because a lot of times our take profit is 40 ticks, you know, and if we're getting, you're not getting filled.
I'm with you. You don't want it to go the other way. Yep. Yep.
Yeah, this drops. This is it for the rest of the day, and I'm gonna get in gold. Look at, man, they're whatever. Just wait.
All right. Catch you later, buddy. Appreciate everything. Thanks for looking into that for us.
Yep.
You know, appreciate it. Thank you.
Right back up into the orb. right back up into it. And it looks like the June trade loss. So this started out as a great day, starting to turn into a complete shit day for me. Oh, it's still in the trade.